Welcome to your horoscope. Now in the Middle East and European people, in English you can know the benefits, edify, occult sciences and report of today's work and the goods for the work and the goods of the task. So come to program Sunday 11 September to Saturday 17 September. You can know your weekly updates, which your work will complete easily and in which works you will be successful. Aries, this week will help you reduce the problems and business professionals people go ahead. Work hard, expected to improve the financial matters in the new job or previous job. You may get promotion. Some people who are thinking of spoil your work, stay away from them and avoid that people. Avoid from flirting. The people who want to marry, they will have the opportunity to marry. Taurus, do not do such tasks that are living for a long time, so that your morale can improve matters. It's better for you to bother them. The only things runs badly. You guys don't understand you enclosure, but our opinion that God has given you a good time to love you or loving the money, that is better than ever. Gemini, you are incredible reason for some work. There are time for some tasks that focus on constructive tasks. Be careful about working partners. In some partners, you can start your business with the words, the boys can be affected by your business. Don't waste time to call your business, especially what you want to enter abroad. See the efforts to continue for new jobs. Cancer, your opponents are decreasing health problems. Will be normal to use medicine. Times you can complete your wishes and don't work with the wishes with the help of the rest. And it is successful after every difficulty. Love with the children and take care of your health. Leo, this week is better for you to bother for employment, but health cannot come. But many hopes will be completed. Many hopes will be able to increase the possibility of poverty and balance in the house. And the girls and the boys will increase their education by operating their education. Hopefully, people can observe the matter of the marriage. Virgo, older problems are expected to be a business or home solution. Some people are successful. Luck is merciful. Move the hard work and timing and collect more benefits. Libra, don't seriously take any problem. It's temporary. Keep focus in the work. Some people will get good benefits from the currency, lottery or bond. Other invoices in this week, the business problems can be resolved, but the legal work is not yet to improve. Scorpio, you will be careful for a few days to see you every day. You will review your pet tasks. It will be difficult to understand the laws, but you will help you in a hurry. Some will be better to entertain the pupil with the help of the coast will reduce your development. Sagittarius, this week will not be better for some business partners. You will have to make a lot of money. A lot of money in individual tasks, relations with the siblings can improve the work in the business, will improve the legal issues. Capricorn. Some previous friends will be better than friends and they will not even help you to take a loan from a financial institute. Keep focus on your business. Everyday work will be normal. Aquarius. In financial matters, you will be slow, but don't give money to anyone. Saying don't see the attention to stop the money. You will be careful, some criticism will also be heard. Pisces. It is expected to meet some people in this week that your opponents are good in the society. But your opponents will be working hard. But some people will do business deals. You will also get some